This is our last day in Vitoria-Gasteiz, or the only last day we've had. We're on the way to Bilbao now. It's the morning of our last day in Spain. The bikes have been thoroughly rained on, and we're about 2 hours away from Bilbao. The church on the hill. We have a new pope, we have an American pope. The 16th. They assume a papal name, don't they? And they drop their name and they assume a papal name. Jimmy. He's got balls on a blind bender. No, he's not overtaking me. I mean, he hasn't overtaken me. Did he? Pope did he? Pope X. Pope X would be a good one. Yeah, Pope X. When he can overtake it, always go for it as well. Come on. Yeah. To get right up his chuff, Forrest, you just nudge him a bit faster. People that have obviously left the ferry and they're just starting their jolly days on their bikes. I'm going to finish in ours. there's a fire in the wood up there. Yeah, I'll have to time-lapse this part. It's rather boring. It's rather like a Bondi without any beer. There are people heading towards Bilbao, and our ferry, the Galicia, Brittany ferry, is back to Blighty. I like these chevrons, illuminated chevrons. It's quite a good idea, and you don't see it in the UK. Well, I haven't. What, in the UK? Oh, right. Oh, right, okay. Forrest is feeling a bit geared up now and is feeding me dodgy information. Geared up because Forrest is in a forest. We're all ready for our own beds, we're saying. Lovely countryside round here.
Scotsman's a prick. He didn't fucking bring his own, he just fucking steals English and stuff. Don't do that, relax. That's what? Relax. What's that? Oh, they're anti-diarrhea. I needed those when we were in France. I had that one. You remember?
Anti-verbal diarrhea for Bondi.
I'm good for people. Okay. I don't want them now. No, I want them before we get off the boat. Yeah. Well, not painkillers, but the paracetamol. Yeah, they'll just take the bit of the edge off your cheeks. You know, I had a full packet of fucking seasick pills. Stopping fucking no on here. It's alright. Keep hold of them because I might need some seasick tablets myself. Scottish. What? Knob wang? Yeah. He stole everything. They love me. I came prepared. Nobody else did. I had everything I needed. And what did they all do? Fucking robbed it. Next I'll send out a list and say, if there's anything on this list that you haven't got, fuck off, don't ask me for it. Isn't that right, Steve? Did you bring everything you needed for your trip?
I think so, mate. 40, 45.
Did you bring 45 things?
Stuff.
Forty, 45. We're going to be there shortly, Bondi, maybe in 45 minutes. 45 minutes. To get myself ready then. Yeah, get gingered up. Get myself gingered. Bondi's got his own ginger there. Comes by the way of Scotland. Sunburn. Oh, I hope you're recording this, Lichwa.
Where's
I can see your flashing red light.
I don't even know why I'm putting me what you call it on the phone.
Just type in Port Bilbao.
Yeah.
You number 1, yeah, on the left.
I did a stealth approach there. Did you hear that? No.
Did you? What did you say?
I turned my engine off back there and just coasted.
Did. I'll probably just see you in the mirror though. That's how it's.
Enjoying the scenery. That's nothing. No more off-road. You guys in Andorra? Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah. It's not. You've been there for 3 days? No. We started yesterday. We've been there for 3 days now. Like, you know, yeah. The other guy.
Good to go. Yeah. Oh, this is awkward. Hi.
Welcome on board.
Thank you.
We are on deck 3 here, and the other side of the hall you have the purple lift for going up.
Purple lift for up.
Yeah, purple 3. Okay?
What make is it? What make is it, Bondi? That Guernsey Liberation, 80 years, Operation Nest Egg. It's very good, isn't it, people? How's it going, Forrest? Are we blasting on? Alright. Back in 2 hours. Yeah? Okay, people, we hammered it from the docks from Portsmouth, and we're just short of the Midlands now, short of Birmingham. We've stopped because I needed fuel, and we're going to blast on and get back. Speak to you in a minute.